Hey guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we will learn the new tool that is released by the Onshape. That is, the tool is mostly useful for in sheet metals. Okay, here either you can see this is a sheet metal I have model and also make the bends like this. So let me teach you how to work with this new bend tool. Here you can see the sheet metal tools. You can observe that new tool bend. So what is the use of this bend tool? This is for basically useful for making the bends at what points, at what edges we want to make the bend. You might already think that they have already a bend tool inside the sheet metal model, either in the flanges as well. But there's a difference between the bend and the flange. Okay, so let me example. Let me hide this one and also this one. Okay, let's draw some normal sketch. Here I'm just going to use a simple rectangles. Okay, I'm just having rectangles like this. Okay, yeah. Here I created a simple rectangular shape for sheet metals, and I'm going to use the sheet metal model. And here I'm going to use the thicken because thickening is for sketching as well. Okay, so I'm going to select the sketches, sketch region which I want, and giving the thickness this much, and press OK. You might also think there is a bend tool here, but here we do not observe any edges. Why is it? Because we just these edges will only work with the 3D part, just like a cube. When you want to make a part in the sheet metal model, in that time it will work. Okay, so let's work with the new tool bend. Select the bend tool and select the make sure you use the sketch. Okay, and select the line. So I just going to select this line. And here you go. Here's the band form exactly at the line point. And the sheet metal model is automatically selected by the itself. And make sure guys, you can only create one band with the 112 feature. You can't select the multiple lines here. So it will show a error like this, or it will result the other one. Okay. And you can also modify the bends. For example, here you can see this is the one type of bend, this bend line. If you want to hold the line, so the bend will be formed exactly before the line. If you select the pull over the line, it crosses the line. So if you want inner, if you want outer, if you want middle, whatever it is, you can customize the bends as per the line. So I'm going to select this one. And you can also change the bend angle, align to geometry. Or for example, yeah. So based on the profile, it's going to select the align geometry. And on the direction, either you can also change the direction, but it's not possible because its bending is different. Okay. This way you can select it. I'm going to select the bend angle. And here you can customize the bend of angle as well as per you want. Okay. We'll see more bend radius. So the bond band radius is automatically defaultly set by. If you don't want, you can deselect it. And K factor, these are all you can set it. You can also customize the band radius, or you can take the default. Okay, and press OK. See, either you can change the band like this, you can change the direct pole position as well. Okay, and set the band tool again. You're going to sell this one, but here the band will not form. Why? So because it's on connected here. That's what goes. So just deselect it, select this, And here you go, the band is small, but there is a red line shown here, right? This is why, because in that case, change the type of band line. So then the error will be sorted out. Okay? Okay. Insert the underpin, then this one, remove this pin, and make sure you put 3 degrees angle. Okay. It's showing the error red line again. Press it because of the bend line. So shape hold the line and press OK. So in this way you can design your sheet metals and customize your sheet metals easily instead of performing separate bendings now on board. Hope this tool helpful for the designer, the CAD designers who work with the more sheet metal models. Okay. Uh, if you understand this tool, if you and also get strong concept, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys. It is very helpful for us to get the new content and share to all. Thanks for watching.